Hi everyone, this is Rosmin M. Romero, BS Criminology. Our topic for today is all about parts of the computer system and its function, and common external peripheral. What is computer? A computer is a system of information processing components that perform input, processing, output, storage, and control functions. A computer is made up of many parts. These parts work easier and faster. It is a very useful tool. It helps you in many ways. Computer case. This is the part that holds all of the internal components to make up the computer itself. It is usually designed in such a manner to make fitting a motherboard, wiring, and drive as easy as possible. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main board that is screwed directly inside a computer case. All other cards and everything else plugs directly into the motherboard, hence its name. The CPU, RAM, drives, power supply, and more all gets connected to it. CPU, or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is basically like the brain of a computer. It processes all the information on the computational level. It takes information from the RAM and processes it to perform the tasks required from the computer. RAM, or Random Access Memory. RAM is a data storage device that can provide fast read and write access. RAM is also a volatile, which means that it loses all the stored data when power is lost. The RAM keeps data ready for the CPU to process. The speed of the RAM is a big contributor to the overall speed of a computer. Graphics card. A graphics card processes the data from the motherboard and sends the appropriate information to the monitor for it to be displayed. It can do so using an HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA connector. A graphics card can also be referred to as a video card or a display card. Sound card. Most of the time, the sound chip built into the motherboard is used for audio output. Sound cards plug into a computer in multiple ways. It can be through USB, PCI slot, or PCI Express X1 slot. Hard drive. A hard drive is found in most computers. It's usually a mechanical drive that stores all the data. Apart from storing data, it can also be used as a boot drive to run the operating system from it. PSU, or Power Supply Unit. A power supply mounts inside a computer case. This converts the AC mains supply from the wall socket and supplies the correct DC voltage to all the components inside a computer. Monitor. A monitor is what you use to visualize the graphics data sent from the computer's graphics card. There are various types of monitors on the market. The most commonly used is a LED backlit LCD monitor. Keyboard. A keyboard is one of the ways to communicate with a computer. Typing a key from the keyboard sends a small portion of data to tell the computer which key was pressed. Mouse. A mouse allows the user to move a pointer display on the monitor and experience a more intuitive interaction with the computer. Common external peripherals. What is peripherals? Peripherals are non-essential pieces of hardware that plug into the computer externally. They are called non-essential because a computer can operate without them. Printer. A printer can take an image sent by a computer and deliver it onto a sheet of paper. It does this by using the data from the computer, and by either using toner or ink. It deposits one of these in a controlled and accurate manner to form the image. Scanner. A scanner can take anything on paper and scan it to produce a replicated digital image. This is also very handy for saving physical photos that you want to preserve. Speaker. Computer speaker can connect up to the sound card at the rear of the computer. Another way they can be connected is by a monitor that already has built-in speaker. Joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. So, thank you and may God bless you.